Just going to do a quick wiper change on this BMW i4 eDrive 40. Left in for a service recently. I think it was about 70 or 80 quid quoted for wipers, so I've decided to do it myself. Although I've got the Bosch Aerotwin AP24U and the Bosch Aerotwin 19U. They were about £39. They weren't the cheapest. So first thing I'm going to do is put the wipers into service mode. Car's switched off. I'm just going to hold this down. There we go. That's the wipers in service mode. Now I'm going to be able to lift them up in order to change them. So as you look at the wipers in here, you'll see there's a little, on both sides, so you can see that there's a little clip that you can squeeze in, and the wiper just lifts off. So the top end hooks on essentially, and I was just squeezing this to release it. So that's how easy it is to detach the wiper. So here's the old wiper. Here's the driver side wiper. I think there's going to be a little adapter set in here. Yes, it'll be in that box. So I need to pick the right adapter. And we'll get the wiper blade out. It just comes with looking like that. It'll not fit the way it is, so I'm going to need to go into this box here to find the correct adapter. And there's a few, so looks like it's that one as far as I can see. So we'll try using that one, see if it fits. That's the old wiper. I'm just going to fit this in the same. There we go. That just clicks on. Now I'm hoping that this will just click back onto the car the same way as the old one come off. So back over to the car. As you can see, I'll do this kind of one-handed. That clips down in there, and that clips down in there, and that is your wiper changed. So I'll do the same on the other side. It's pretty easy. Again, looking at the passenger side wiper, you can just unclip them, those two clips. As you can see, the clips on the Bosch are a bit shorter. There's the clip on this one. The clip on the Bosch is short, so they're not 100%. What they'll possibly do, okay, see how this one fits. Again, just pops down in, and then if you squeeze, I actually had to do the last one with both hands, squeeze those in. I presume that's meant to just clip in easily, but these ones will not do that, and I'm having to sort of squeeze them. I'll have to hold it with the other hand and push it in. That's more or less that fitted as well. So looking on the fitment there, like, they do appear to be the right wipers, but I have to say the fitment could be better on these. Yeah, they're not going to come off or anything. Well, we'll give them a wee test here. Let's see what they're like. The car here, I've turned it on. To be fair, they're decent wipers. I'd be happier if they fitted better, but they're performing fine. Anyway, that's the two wipers I put on there. Bosch Aerotwin AP24U 24-inch and AP19U 19-inch passenger side. Meh is about the best I can offer there. They fit just. They do a good job of cleaning the window, but I'm not 100% sure they're definitely compatible, even though apparently they are. So, thanks very much for watching.